Can you tell us what we're seeing there and what VMware can do in terms of helping people leverage these technologies?
Sure, Ray. I mean, there's a whole class of software-defined network services that can be provisioned on what is called a network function virtualization platform. We call that NFV. But what you actually deploy on an NFV platform is a number of VMs, and each VM carries in it a virtual network function, or a VNF, that implements some software-defined service. And you can run this on commodity hardware in the data center or at the edge. And also there's a new set of SmartNIC technology that's coming out that can allow you to offload some of the performance requirements of those VNFs. So we have a demo actually, Ray, that will actually sort of show us an example of this. So we have a single host, which happens to be a Dell PowerEdge server, running 4 ESXi instances. The first ESXi instance is running, and there's 3 ARM-based SmartNICs in this device. So the first ESXi instances are running 2 data processing applications on the main x86 CPU in this server. We also have defined a virtual network function in a network appliance that's running on across 2 ESXi instances, running across 2 Mellanox BlueField SmartNICs. And so in this case, the VNF is a single VM that's running in fault-tolerant mode across those 2 SmartNICs with those 2 ESXi services. These are non-nested VMs. I'll say that again. These are non-nested VMs, which is actually an important thing. Okay? Thanks, Chad. Finally, we have a security monitoring service running on a Broadcom Stingray SmartNIC, also with an ARM processor, that's running the popular snort intrusion detection service. If you actually can see the trace screen here, in the bottom screen is actually running the snort alerting mechanism, but we're actually running Wireshark in the upper screen just so we can see all the deep packet inspection that's going on across that environment. So essentially, we want to make sure something really important is that this is a network platform. It's a virtualized ESXi platform managed by vCenter with 4 ESXi instances. And each ESXi instance, one instance is on the server, one instance is on two instances are on 2 SmartNICs from Mellanox, and one instance is on a SmartNIC from Broadcom.
So when I look at this, what I'm seeing here is a fundamentally, basically interesting type of networking appliance, right? Because it consists of, it's a true NFV platform. It's got embedded ARM accelerators, all of those running ESX as well, which means they can have applications downloaded to them, and all of it uniquely managed or consistently managed across Virtual Center.